Welcome to the Electric Circuits video activity. In part 1, I'm going to be building an FM radio circuit board. Here's our materials and equipment. Let's get started building our FM radio. So here's a speaker. Snap that in right there. And this is where we're going to start. We have our FM module here with our antenna. We have our amplifier unit here. Here's our battery pack. And this is our first circuit connector. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding a couple of connectors that we're going to need. Alright, so we've got some extra connectors there that we're going to need. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding some of the circuits together. So let's put one right there. Let's add this one right there. And we'll place one right there and one right there. All right, now let's take our on-off switch and let's add it in. And right now it is in the off position. And now we're going to add our resistor. I'm going to add it just like that. And now I'm going to take one more circuit connector. I'm going to add it right there. And let's see what happens. This is my reset, but first of all, I'm going to turn my switch on. And I'm going to hit the reset button. And now, when I tune, there's nothing happening. Pause the video with this image still up and answer the question on your handout. Let's see how you did. Did you figure it out? Obviously, our circuit is broken and something is not connecting. Did you figure out that it's right here between a circuit and our amplifier? Let's see what happens now.
The administration was finally. Good morning. 93.3 Check FM.
It'll take you there, wherever there is. You'll roam free.
Each time I hit the T button, it tunes it to find another station. We can do some adjusting right here. What do you think happens when I flip this to off? We lose our connection because it breaks the circuit. Flip it back to on. For part 2, you will be building the circuit board before you watch me build it. Here's our materials. We have a speaker, an on-off button, battery pack, circuit connector, circuit board, and a press switch button. All of these materials are represented on your handout as puzzle type pieces. you're going to cut out those pieces and then put them together on another sheet of paper, and when you're happy with what you see, you're either going to glue it down or tape it down, and then when you're ready, you can start the video to see if it's correctly built and what it actually does. Pause the video so you can cut out your pieces and put your circuit board together, and when you're ready, start the video again. Did you get your circuit puzzle put together? Let's see if you got it put together correctly, and if you did, then we can see what sounds this particular circuit is making. All right, first of all, I'm going to connect my blue one right there. I'm going to connect my yellow one right there. And here's our speaker that I'm going to put right here. And my button right here. So, did you get yours put together correctly? Let's see what sounds it makes. Well, you may get in trouble in school for making those sounds, but it's kind of funny on a circuit board. Hopefully your teacher will think it's funny too, but remember, appropriate behavior in class, and these are not appropriate behaviors. I hope you enjoyed this activity.